I'm Alyssa, the Extension Plant Pathologist with University of Delaware. My lab looks at a blend of field and laboratory research to try to get to the bottom of what's going on with some of our crop health. So just as us humans can get sick, our crops and plants can get sick as well. These could be caused by organisms like fungi, bacteria, nematodes, viruses. And within our research, we try to help folks figure out what's going on with their crop and dig into what kind of management strategies and approaches that we can implement to try to reduce disease, improve our yields, and overall profitability for mid-Atlantic farmers. We have research across many different crops. Today I'm standing here in a soybean field, and we have multiple projects in soybean. A lot of our energy is really looking at nematode pressure. These are microscopic worms that can impact plant roots. And so we do a lot of research with soybean cyst nematode as well as root knot nematode. Root knot is one that has a very wide host range. So in addition to work in soybeans, we also do work in cucurbits, vegetable systems, lima beans, and other crops of importance to the region. Within corn, a lot of our energy is focused on foliar pathogens of corn, doing fungicide efficacy screening, and also early season looking at diseases that are caused by species of an organism called Pythium, which causes a root rot and some stunting in plants. So we have a lot of ongoing research trying to understand those season-long effects of that stunting that we see within corn. Within sorghum, that's kind of a new area for us that we have been starting a couple trials this season. There we're looking at a disease that's called anthracnose. It tends to show up kind of mid-season, end of season. It's favored by a lot of warm, humid, wet weather, which we tend to see a lot of in July and August. That really drives a lot of our disease pressure in the region. Other ongoing research that we have are in cucurbit systems. We've been branching a bit more into watermelon work. So right now we have some ongoing trials looking at anthracnose, which is a foliar disease in watermelon, and also looking at two of our really important soil-borne diseases, fusarium and phytophthora root rot within watermelon systems. So my lab's located at the Carville Research and Education Center in Georgetown, Delaware, and I've got lots of great graduate students, postdocs, and research associates on staff that are all helping on various projects, and hopefully through the course of some of these videos you'll get to experience some of the research that's happening out in the field and get a little bit of a snapshot of the work that we have going on.